Hey guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. So in today's following video I'm going to walk you through how to cancel your order in Crumbl app on a device. So to know more about this, you need to watch this video till the very end. Let's get into the video. So as I have already said, the Crumbl cookies app lets you order gourmet cookies, view weekly flavors, customize your orders on new watch and find nearby stores. You can also purchase gift cards and track your loyalty points in Crumbl app. And now to know how to cancel your order, you need to follow a few steps. Like to cancel an order, you need to just open the Crumbl app and make sure you are logged into your account. You just need to navigate to your order history and upcoming orders. And after that you just need to look at the orders you want to cancel and you need to find the orders to cancel. And now if the option is available, you should see a cancel button next to the order. Tap it to the cancel the order to cancel the order. So that's how you can cancel the order. But cancellation are only possible if your order hasn't been processed or prepared yet. If you cannot cancel through the app, you can try calling the Crumbl store directly to request a cancellation. So that's how you can cancel the order in Crumbl app on a device. So let me know if you need more help in our comment section below. So that's it for today. Hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon of our channel. Thank you and see you in the next video.